Algebra is used constantly by engineers to solve problems. For instance, they might have to work out the strength of a beam or to find the distance between 2 points. Algebra is actually the cornerstone of engineering. It's so important, that's why we're spending 2.5 programs on algebra. Algebra is more than just generalized arithmetic. Algebra is used in statistics, it's used in calculus, in trigonometry. You have to have a good understanding of algebra, and I expect you to go to your book and to practice these problems a lot, because practice makes perfect when it comes to algebra. Let's have a look what we're going to cover in this program 4. We are going to have a look first of all at some of the uses of algebra, then we look at types of numbers, followed by signed numbers, and then we have a look at what are called literal expressions, and lastly we look at substitution, which we'll also do in the next program. Well, algebra, what is it about? You've all seen it, x squared, x plus y. Now it is used to represent numbers, those x's and those y's. I've got a typical example here on the screen where we've got Ernie working a room. He's painting a room. He can do that in 2 hours, while Sid can do it in 3 hours. If they work together, how long would it take? Well, you can do that with arithmetic, and I've got the working out here. And we get an answer. And the answer, as it turns out, and you can check that yourself, is 1 hour and 12 minutes. But that is one particular solution. In algebra, what you would like is a generalized solution. And what you would do in algebra in this particular problem, you would let x be the time it takes Ernie to paint the room, and y be the time Sid takes to paint the room. And then working together, you can work with rates. It's quite a difficult problem. You can actually come with a general equation that involves x and y for the time it takes to paint the room together.